All right, everybody, welcome back to Niko Brothers. So we have a lot of little work ahead of us, but hopefully the glass guys are coming in, Ed's Auto Glass, and get that installed. And it's gonna transform the look for sure, and we'll get this thing watertight. So we're gonna do a lot of sealant, we're gonna do a lot of sealing up so we make it waterproof, because I'm so tired of putting tarps on this thing on and off and just afraid of it raining on us. Like clouds start passing up, we're like, ah, what's going on? But I'm gonna go ahead and take the windows out, get them cleaned up, prepped up, put that butyl tape on there, and get them secure. Let's go ahead and start with that. You can see where the gasket idea makes sense, just squishes and keeps the water out. But if you keep going further down, it's actually torn. A lot of water gets in from the top right there, and over here it's just completely ripped apart. So yeah, let's just get rid of all of it and go to the good old-fashioned butyl tape and get it done. So just went to our local Camping World and got some supplies, self-leveling bright white, since we're, you know, pearl white and everything. It's definitely a very bright white, so hopefully that'll match nicely for our edges and kind of blend in. And also we got the butyl tape. So here we go, just getting the edges all cleaned off, get all the old residue off, and be ready for my install for the butyl tape. Should be enough for 2 windows. Oh yeah. So we'll get that going, get these installed, because again, crazy rain showers come all the time, so I do want to get this thing sealed up as soon as possible, especially on top, get all that caulking done, make sure we don't get any water damage for our nice brand new pearl white RV. Vegas. And just like that, quick and easy, I made sure my connection's on the bottom, not the top, and went around, got my tape on there, ready to mount it and keep it on there and keep the water out. Nice. Alright guys, getting the mirrors basically scuffed down. Ivan's going to paint them black because our chrome isn't really going to match that well. I mean, some chrome's okay, but he's going to look a lot better black and match the RV so much more. The black windows, pearl white, accents will be awesome. So we're going to do the mirrors, we're going to do the grill, and the headlight covered things too. Right, Ivan? Yep. So we'll get all that blacked out, make it look good and unique. Very unique, one of a kind for sure. This is going to be a different RV that you'll see going down the road. All right. Hopefully this place is gonna be transformed before the end of the day. We'll get it together. I really want to finish up everything I need to do before the glass gets installed. So this heater duct right here, got some ducting I need to do. This is actually a pretty big piece. I'm gonna go ahead and install that first before our glass is installed. And then we could work on the dash, we could work on the floor, we could work on our other pieces that are just hanging around. And yeah, make it look good. Hopefully cover up this floor and protect it. Let's get that installed first. So it's just basically an air duct for hot air or for the cold air, whatever it is. Right there, if you can see it. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and get that routed in there, bolt it down. And it'll be a lot easier to do without the front windshield right now. So yeah, we'll make sure everything else is good before we put that glass on, because then it's not coming off. Brand new windshield, let's get it done. Alright guys, but before I get my piece installed, I really want to talk about NikoBrothers.com. We got some new limited hats available, also some awesome RV shirts, so check that out. And these hats will actually custom sign for you guys. Me and Ivan will sit down, we'll get our markers out. There's a limited, we're gonna do like 20 hats right now, they're gonna be signed. So the first 20 hats, we're gonna sign them ourselves for you guys, so check out NikoBrothers.com. All right, just like that. I got my other piece on. Basically these bones, the wood is the bones of the structure. After that you put all your clothing on top to make it look pretty. But yeah, got it on there, pretty secure. Screwed it in over there as well. I'm gonna clean it up, wipe it all down, and moving forward. Our air ducts are complete.
So there we have it, we're ready to start painting. So we got these all scuffed down, wiped down, got the water out of them. We got the 2 mirrors ready to go. Then we got the 2 headlight covers or something, bristles, and then we got the front grille. So we are gonna paint all of this black to kind of make it, give it a little bit of contrast for all the white. Hopefully it's gonna look good. If it does, we're gonna keep it. If not, but we got some black right here left over from another job, and we got some adhesion promoter. So we want the paint to stick in really good and not flake. So we're gonna put that on first, especially on these 2 plastic pieces. And then we're gonna put the paint down and some clear. So let's get straight to it. All right, so just like that, we got everything painted. Turned out really good. Definitely happy about it. So next thing we're gonna do is get this dry. Hopefully we'll put it on tomorrow. But we got the glass getting installed, so let's get that done.
Alright guys, I haven't got those pieces painted, they're drying, but luckily Ed's Auto Glass is here and we're ready to install the front windshield. That's really good news because the weather is looking pretty bad. It might rain here and there, so it's like, you know, it's a race. Hopefully we get this thing before it rains.
Yeah, we gotta get it in there. So we're prepping the glass right now where the urethane goes. We gotta throw some special primer on it. We gotta prep the glass, degrease it. We gotta prime it, get all the little trims on it, and then get the urethane on there, get her in there.
What?
Because like you said, the clouds are coming in there, so.
Yeah, hopefully we'll get it before it rains. So let's
yeah, we gotta do less talking.
let's get it
Let's
knocked
get
out.
working. All right guys, so we got the glass installed, it's all good. The urethane's drying. We got the outer molding, the inner molding actually installed. The outer molding, the Niko brothers said they'll take care of that. Michael had to go home, but we did beat the rain, so that's good. Also, we installed the side windows, so the side windows all good, so they'll be all sealed up and good to go. And if you guys are in the Spartanburg, Greenville area and you need some auto glass done, let me know. Ed's Auto Glass, Spartanburg.
Okay, so the glass turned out beautiful. I love the fitment. Everything came in really nice. We got the seal in there. We're gonna go ahead and put that gasket all around it. And also our painted parts are done as well. So we could go ahead and work on our front end and make it look good. Basically put it all together, make sure our lights are working, turning signals, all that good stuff. Put the front hood on basically, and it's gonna look great. Honestly, this black with that pearl white, wow, for sure. This thing is gonna look real good. Let's go ahead and work on the front end, get the windshield wipers on, and yeah, make it look really nice. Still got the inside to do, but it's fine. Really want to get this outside going because, you know, it's right here. Might as well take care of it. Let's get this together. Alright guys, went to my local O'Reilly's and I got myself some new LED strips. So I'll just put it under there. You know, might as well, it's gonna look good. Black on white, it's the way we do it. Also, I night shaded my other little turn signal because that looked bad yellow. Might as well just block it out. get this installed. Well, I ended up not putting the LED strip because it was like way too short, and the expensive ones are like $75. So I'm just like, yeah, that's fine. And I night shaded that churning signal, which I think blends a lot easier and cooler than that yellow before thing. But let's go ahead and turn some lights on and make sure they work. I might just order some LED strips online, probably a lot more affordable. So let's turn it on, see if we got power going. There we go, guys, lights are on, working, flashing. Fog light installed, looking good, nice. Ivan's mounting the frame for the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it together. Oh yeah, it looks so good, black on white. Ooh, guys, that is looking really clean. I love the black and the white on there with the fog lights, even smoked out. Nice, a lot of work for sure getting it done, getting it on there. Very tedious. We are missing a couple pieces. We've got the little cab lights and little side markers and the top and the side that we need to get. Fender liner as well, so we're ordering a couple parts that we don't have. But hey, unfortunately that's all the time we have for this episode, but make sure you guys check out our Niko Brother hats, and you get a hat and we will custom sign it for you, me and Ivan as well, so there's a limited amount. Make sure you check out our website. Stay tuned, there's still so much work to go on this thing, but we're just happy that it's sealed, windshield is on there, so hey, we're protected from the rain. Definitely a peace of mind. There's still so much work to do inside, but I'll have to wait till next time. So make sure you guys stay tuned, turn on the notification bell, share the videos. We'll catch you guys next time.